Joining us now is Kostya, Kimlat, the magician. Kostya, good morning. Good to see you.
Good morning. Great to see you, too.
All right, so tell us about this incredible opportunity. I know you've got a couple tricks up your sleeve this morning,
I do.
First things first, how can couples be treated to a very special Valentine's Day dinner?
Yeah, so we have an amazing evening. It's a 4-course meal. We have an hour-and-a-half show. I have a guest magician who perform with me. We do the show in 3 parts. So first you sit down, you see some interactive magic, then you have some food, some appetizers, then we do a guest performer, then more dinner, then more magic, then dessert. So it's a whole beautiful night out. On Valentine's, we'll have some magicians doing close-up magic, so they can come to Christner's on Valentine's and see the close-up magic. And then Saturday night, the 17th and the 24th, are our next dinner shows.
Okay, all at Christner's Steakhouse.
All at Christner's,
correct?
absolutely.
Okay,
yep.
Very good. All right, now for the good stuff.
Yeah.
A couple of tricks up your sleeve, so to speak.
Yes, so sometimes, I create my own magic. Other times we do like cover tricks. And this is an old trick that I wanted to share with you. It's one of my favorite things. It's a love story, okay? Figured Valentine's Day is perfect. I'm going to give you a couple of cards here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd like you to make sure that there's just 4 cards. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Yes.
Everything I do is with a regular pack of playing cards. I bought the jumbo indexes today. I'll give these to you to keep at the end, just so you know everything is absolutely fair. So now, here's the idea.
Okay.
Every deck of cards has a pair of twins who are married to another pair of twins.
Really?
Yeah. So the King of Spades, he is married to the lovely brunette, the Queen of Spades.
Is that so?
Yep. And he has a twin brother who looks just like him, the King of Spades. And he's married to her twin sister, the Queen of Spades. Okay. Now, one time they went to a little bar, they went to a restaurant. The ladies, they went upstairs to freshen up, and the guys thought, this is my perfect chance. So the first one, he went over, the King of Spades, and he sat down, started chatting with a lovely redhead.
Oh, come on.
Right? I know. His twin brother, he went over, and he started talking to her twin sister, another lovely redhead. Right? Exactly. We're just starting. So now, here's what happened. The ladies, they came downstairs. They knew right away something was going on. So the first one, she went over, she started arguing with the first redhead. Right? Her twin sister, she went over, and she started arguing with the other redhead. Right?
Are you kidding?
Now, of course, here's what happened, right? There was a little mix-up, right? There's a little hair fighting, pulling, scratching. But at the end, the first brunette, she took her husband, and she pulled him out by the nose, and she took him home, right? The second brunette, she pulled her husband by the ear, said, we're never coming back to this bar again.
I don't blame her.
Now, of course, I know you're thinking, what happened to the 2 redheads, right? Well, they didn't get too upset. The first one, she went across the street to a different bar, and when she got there, she met herself a redheaded gentleman. Absolutely. And her twin sister, she also met herself another redheaded gentleman.
No way.
And they all lived happily ever after.
There you sweet. No pun intended.
Yes,
oh my goodness, that is
true story. Yes.
True story. All in that deck of cards.
All inside the deck of cards. Like I said, everything I do is with a regular pack of playing cards, so there's nothing, no gimmicks, no tricks you can buy. It's all sleight of hand. I've been doing this for 20 years, and so part of the shows that we do is storytelling and magic and mind reading and mentalism, a little bit of everything.
This is incredible.
Every single time you come, it's just so much fun, and I love the story.
Yes.
I mean, it's perfect in time for Valentine's Day. It's a good story. It kind of reminds me of a little bit of a medieval, fairy tale or something.
Well, see, I call these like skinny little metaphors because, they're so thin. But when you look at them, there's so much stories that you see in there, the pictures, everything about it. So
much depth, so much history.
Exactly.
My goodness. Kostya, where can people find you?
So they can go to magicshoworlando.com. That's our website where they can get tickets for the show. They'll see our whole schedule on there. They can get table for 2 or for 4. Bring all your friends, and we do a whole 4-course meal, hour-and-a-half show.
You do this trick for people too?
I even do a bigger story about who killed the King of Hearts. It's a whole other mystery.
Oh my God.
So yeah, I love story tricks, and so that's a big part of it.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Cool Valentine's Day gift.
Absolutely.
All right, that does it for Good Day Orlando. Kostya, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
My pleasure.
Always.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.